In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin emails in Gmail. Let's dive right into the process, ensuring your important emails always have a place at the very top of your inbox. Whether you're managing numerous communications or just want to keep certain emails easily accessible, this method will help you stay organized and efficient. First, we'll begin by opening Gmail. Navigate to your usual inbox where your emails await. The next task is to identify the specific email you want to pin. This decision could be based on importance, frequency of use, or anything that merits having it at the front and center of your list. Once you've found that essential email, direct your attention to the star icon located right beside the email's subject line. This little symbol is your best friend in this process. What you need to do is click this empty star icon. By doing so, you're marking the email as starred. Essentially, this is Gmail's way of recognizing which emails hold more value and should be prioritized. Now, with your email starred, turn your gaze to the top right corner of your Gmail interface. There, you'll find the gear icon, which represents your settings. Click on this gear icon and a menu will pop up. Within this menu, there's an option that says, See All Settings. Click on that and it will take you to the main settings panel. In the settings panel, look for the tab labeled Inbox. Clicking on this will bring up various options related to how your inbox is organized. Under this section, there's something specifically called Inbox Type. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu allowing you to customize how your inbox functions. The option you want to select is Starred First. Selecting this will prioritize your starred emails, bringing them to the top of the list before any others. The final step, and this is crucial, is to scroll to the bottom of the settings page. Here, you'll spot a button labeled Save Changes. Don't forget to click this button as it ensures all the changes you've made take effect. Without hitting save, you won't see the updates reflected in your inbox. And there you have it. Once you hit that save button, your starred emails will appear right at the top of your inbox, giving you quicker access to those critical messages. This method not only helps in managing your inbox more effectively, but also ensures that significant emails are always just a glance away. Thanks for watching, and I hope this quick guide helps you keep your Gmail more organized and efficient. Remember, starring is the key to pinning your important messages right where you want them. Enjoy your newly organized inbox and happy email.